You believe, you form your own opinions. You read the news, you look at the facts, and you make up your own mind. But you are only choosing from a menu that someone else wrote. You are completely unaware of the information they decided to leave in the kitchen. In 1988, philosopher Noam Chomsky exposed the exact mechanism of this control. He called it manufacturing consent. He proved that the mainstream media does not exist to inform you. It is a machine designed to engineer your worldview using 5 specific filters. Filter 1. Ownership. News networks are owned by massive megacorporations. Their primary goal is profit. Critical journalism will always take a back seat to the financial interests of the parent company. Filter 2. Advertising. Media costs money to produce. Advertisers foot the bill, which means the news isn't the product. You are the product, and the media will never publish a story that makes their true customers look bad. Filter 3. The media elite. The media relies on government and corporate experts for cheap, constant news. To maintain access to these powerful sources, journalists become complicit. They stop challenging power and start repeating its press releases. Filter 4 and 5. Flack and fear. If a journalist steps out of line, they are attacked and discredited by the establishment. And to keep the public distracted from all of this, the media manufactures a constant, common enemy, a boogeyman for you to fear, so you will gladly surrender your rights for safety. This happens so naturally that the journalists themselves don't even realize they are doing it. They think they are objective, but they are operating inside an invisible cage of corporate interests. When you consume their content, you aren't learning about the world. You are learning exactly what the establishment needs you to think to keep the system running. Question the menu. Subscribe to see the kitchen.